how to change location on Snapchat map. So if you want to change your location on Snapchat map, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat, you need to go with the bottom left, which has that map section. And from map, you need to tap on your Bitmoji icon, which will be on the right side, and then tap on allow. After allowing, you can go with other permissions and then allow the location, or just simply tap and hold on to your Snapchat application, go with the app info. From here, you need to go with permissions, and under permissions, you need to scroll down, go with location, and allow all the time. Once done, go back to your Snapchat. Now tap on the location, which will be in the bottom left, and here you will have your location, right? So you just need simply go with share, which will be in the right side. Once you tap on the share location or the share arrow, then you'll be able to share your location. But in order to change your location, you won't be able to do that. You won't be able to add a fake location, or you won't be able to change your location on your Snapchat. To do that, you can just simply open a VPN, any VPN that you're comfortable with, and connect to the VPN to a different country or a different region. And after changing your region, then you can open up your Snapchat and your location will be changed. But without a VPN, you won't be able to change your location on your Snapchat map. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.